everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu The Seed from the 10th to the 14th of May 2021 on Monday. Harriet sends Gamadonsela a message by getting her beat up by two other prisoners for the uprising she's causing amongst the inmates against the guards on Tuesday. Mandlovu is driven to kick Nokzola out of the Bengo house in the wake of Nokzola's abortion being revealed on Wednesday. Thokozile managed to flee from Mazulu after their accidentally meeting. Fikile reveals to Nkulego that she's been sheltering his mother on Thursday. Fikile is worried about Nkulego not contacting him. Nkulego and Zethu end up in a hotel room together on Friday. Tusheleni is not happy that Zithulele is going back to Nokzola and feels used. Walter is a shoulder for Mandlovu to cry on. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.